guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix World of Tanks sound not working on PC. If you have no audio, missing sound effects, or no voice audio in World of Tanks, follow these step-by-step solutions and your sound should be back to normal. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then open it. Click on Hardware and Sound, and then Open Sound. Here, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Simply select your correct audio device and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab and make sure the volume is not set to the lowest level. Adjust the volume if needed. Solution 3. Now open the Advanced tab. Set the default format to either 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz. You can also uncheck the option that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Disable Spatial Sound. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to update your audio driver. Solution 6. Go back and select Browse my computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver, click Next, and wait for the installation to finish. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and wait for the update to complete. Solution 8. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App, then open it. Go to the Drivers tab and click Search for Updates. If a new update is available, download and install it. Once finished, launch World of Tanks and test your sound. That's it. After following these steps, World of Tanks sound should be working properly again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.